Hi students, in the session 3 we learned that associative, what do you mean by associativity and how it is working for addition. Okay, now for the subtraction, that associative law is working or not, that we have to check now. So at the subtraction, see, we are taking this examples. This minus 2 by 3 minus means this is subtraction, minus 4 by 5 and minus 1 by 3. This is sign for subtraction and this sign is for subtraction, and this minus is for rational numbers and this minus is for rational numbers. Now minus 2 by 3 minus of minus 4 by 5, because minus 4 by 5 we are taking here as a rational numbers, and minus 1 by 2 minus, this is for subtraction, and 1 by 2 is a rational number. Now here three rational numbers are there. One is minus 2 by 3 and next one is minus 4 by 5 and 1 by 2. Now what we have to doing? Subtraction of these two rational numbers. So this is sign for subtraction, this is sign for subtraction, and this is for rational numbers, and this sign is also for rational numbers. Same thing here, minus sign is for this rational number and this minus sign is for subtraction. So understand this, okay? Minus 4 by 5 and minus 1 by 2. Now see, LHS is equal to, see, take this LHS as it is. Now minus 2 by 3 keep as it is and minus as it is sign, and we have to solve this bracket. Now 5 into 2. So 5 and 2 no common factors, so 10 can be a denominator. So 5 into 2 and 2 into 5. Now 5 into 2, so for the numerator also multiply by 2. 2 into 5, so numerator also multiply by 5. Now minus 2 by 3 minus of minus, this one as it is you have to copy. Just solve this bracket. Minus 4 into 2 8 and 1 into 5 5, and this minus sign as it is. Okay, now denominator is same. If the denominator is same, then we can write, see, this one minus 8 minus 5 divided by 10, this one. So minus 8 minus 5, 13, minus 13. So minus 2 by 3 minus of minus 13 by 10. Okay, now next is this 3 and 10. So the 3 and 10 are different, so again we have to make a denominator same. So 10 we can multiply by 3 and 3 we can multiply by 10. So we can take a or we can make a denominator 30. So minus 2 into 10, 3 into 10, minus 13 into 3, 10 into 3. So now what we got? Minus 2 into 10 is minus 20 divided by 30, minus 13 into 3 is minus 39 divided by 30. Now this minus minus will become plus, this minus and this minus will become plus, so plus 39 and this minus 20 as it is. So minus 20 plus 39 is 13, 19. So 19 divided by 35 is the answer of LHS. Okay, answer of LHS. Now RHS what? Two numbers, these two we have to subtract first, and whatever the answer we have to subtract 1 by 2 from that answer. Okay, now same thing, 3 into 5 no common factor, so 3 multiplied by 5 and 5 multiplied by 3, and whatever operation we are doing in the denominator, same we have to do in the numerator also. Minus 1 by 2 as it is. Now solve this. Minus 10 by 15 minus of minus 12 by 15. So minus 10 by 15 plus 12 by 15 minus 1 by 2. See up to this. After that, this minus 10 and 12. Minus 10 and 12 will be minus 2 divided by 15. Correct? Plus 12, because 12 is greater and this is sign plus, so plus 2. 2 by 15 minus 1 by 2. So here 2 by 15 minus 1 by 2. Now 15 here and here 2. So here we can make by multiply by 15 and here we can multiply by 2 to make a denominator same. So 2 into 2, 15 into 2 minus 1 into 15 divided by 2 into 15. So 4 by 30 minus 15 by 30. Now answer is 4 minus 15 minus 11 and 30. So minus 11 by 30. Now LHS answer is 19 by 30. RHS answer is minus 11 by 30. So different answers are there for LHS and RHS, so not equal. So subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. That is nothing but subtraction is not associative for whole numbers also, integers also, and for rational numbers also. Subtraction is not associative. See, after that, multiplication. Now we will go for the multiplication. Now see, multiplication is easier task. Just you have to multiply numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator. No need to make a denominator same and then multiply, nothing. So minus 7 by 3 into 4 by 5 into 2 by 9. This multiply these two first, and then whatever the answer multiply with this. Multiply these two first, and whatever the answer multiply with this. Same, 5 into 2 10, 4 into 9 36, 7 minus 7 into 5 35, minus 35, 3 into 4 12, and 2 by 9 as it is. Here minus 7 by 3 as it is. Now minus 7 into 10 minus 70 divided by 108. Here also minus 70, minus 35 into 2 minus 70 divided by 108. Now we can reduce it by dividing by 2. Here also we can divide by 2. Here also we can divide by 2. That is minus 35 by 54. Lowest form of rational number. Now LHS is equal to RHS. So multiplication is associative for rational numbers. Now in the form of ABC, if A, B, C are three rational numbers, then A can be multiplied with the result of B into C, and C can be multiplied with the result of A into B. Answer of this multiplication we can multiply with this. Both the ways answer will be same. This is about multiplication. See, addition is associative, subtraction is not associative. Multiplication is associative. Now we'll go for the division. Now see how division. Division 1 by 2, okay, divided by minus 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 5. Now what we have to do? Next time we have to divide these two, and then after that answer we have to divide by another one, next third one. So what we have to do? First, division is nothing but multiplication, but it is inverse multiplication. Means second rational number will be inverse of rational number. Like denominator will be numerator, numerator will be denominator, and division can be changed into multiplication. So 1 by 2 divide by as it is, minus 1 by 3 as it is, and second number is 2 by 5. It will become 5 by 2, and this division will become multiplication. So second number you have to take inverse and multiply. So here 1 by 2 as it is, this multiplication division can be changed into multiplication, and minus sign as it is. 3 will become numerator and 1 will become denominator, and divide by 1 by 2 by 5 as it is. Okay. Now 1 by 2 divide by minus 5 by 6. See, multiplication 5 into 1 minus 5, 3 into 2 6. Here 1 into 3 minus 3 2 divided by 2 by 5. Here 1 by 2 into minus 6 by 5. Now here this division we need to change as a multiplication. So again you have to take reciprocal, or we can say inverse. Okay, not additive inverse, it is reciprocal actually. So minus 6 by 5 minus 3 by 2 as it is, and this division can be changed as a multiplication, and 5 as a numerator and 2 as a denominator. Now minus 6 by 10, and here minus 15 by 4. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So division is also not associative. Okay. Now see, for whole numbers, integers and rational numbers, three numbers, addition and multiplication are only associative. Law can be applied for addition and multiplication, but associative law cannot be applied for subtraction and division for both. like all three, for whole numbers also, for integers also, and for rational numbers also. We can't apply associative law for the subtraction and division. We can apply for addition and multiplication. Now role of 0. Role of 0 is nothing but additive identity. This already you learned in 7th standard, first chapter. 0, if we are adding 0 to any number, then answer will be the same number. See, this is for integers, this is for rational numbers. So minus 2 by 7 plus 0 is equal to minus 2 by 7. Means whenever we'll add 0 to rational number, answer will be rational number. So 0 is called as the identity for addition of rational numbers. It is the additive identity for integers and rational numbers as well. Additive identity we can write like a plus 0 can be a and 0 plus a can be a. Okay, additive identity, that is nothing but role of 0. Fill in the blanks, it will come additive identity. Or if we are adding 0 to any rational numbers, then answer will be the rational number itself. We called it as dash dash dash, that is additive identity. Okay, now same additive identity, multiplicative identity will be also there. So that multiplicative identity, that is nothing but 0. Okay, now okay, I forgot to write multiplicative identity. Okay, now multiplicative identity, minus 2 by 7 into 1. Whenever we are multiplying integers as well as rational numbers with the 1, then answer will be same number. So multiplication identity 1 is a multiplicative identity for integers and rational numbers. A into 1, a is nothing but any integer or any rational numbers. It is multiplied by 1, then answer will be again a itself. That is called as a multiplicative identity. Okay, now associative law is applicable for only addition and multiplication, not for subtraction and division. Next point is role of 0 and role of 1. Role of 0 is whenever we are adding 0 to any rational number, answer will be and that rational number itself, that is called as an additive identity. Role of 1 is whenever we are multiplying a rational number with 1, then the answer will be same rational number, that is called as an multiplicative identity. Okay, now this is enough for now. Next session we will see examples and exercise. Okay, thank you students.